Thank you. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You are. I think this is better now.
I like this one. I like this camera, Dad. I like this one.
You like?
And macaron. And macaron. And my guts.
Ayaw, sapor sa may...
Yo guys, so today we are in Curiacos. We arrived last night. Mga 8 p.m. We left Calgary around 6, I think. Today's Saturday. It's a Sabbath day. And then, so far the program was just devotional last night. And then, pagka umaga, merong morning devotional. And then, right now, we are separated into two groups. Young adults or youth, they're in the parang bonfire area. And then the adults. So the adults stayed in the chapel. Just gonna give you guys a quick tour. And this is owned by Lutheran Church. The name itself, Curiacos, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, this is what I've heard last night. Kind of like a Greek word or something. You belong with God, something like that. I hope I'm right. If not, then just correct me, guys. So this is where our kitchen are. So all of our stuff. And this is where we held our devotionals last night and early morning. So our coffee area. This is where we cook. So right now, as you notice, no people. It's because everyone is on their designated places. So earlier, the youth were here. Nag-youth activity kasama si Pastor Theo. So Noah and Mom is here.
I want to talk to my sister.
What happened? Hungry? So let me show you guys what it looks like in here. So the chapel area is like that area. And if you notice here, we also have where we can eat as well. This is where the youths are. So our view pala guys, in this area, this is connected, I think, sa Sylvan Lake. So this is our first day na nagstay dito. Kagabi was our first night. This is our first day.
Bring your slippers.
And if you're curious what it looks like here, one room has like a bunk bed
Bring your slippers.
and then a double bed. So, but there are other rooms as well na double bed lang. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Why are you hungry?
I want to eat outside.
Outside? You wanna chill outside while eating?
Yeah.
Oh, sige. At least right now, Noah, walang tablet is because although meron kaming wifi dito, hindi namin inano. He's really looking for something to do. Oh, if you guys are wondering, it's around almost 2 hours away from Calgary. There's also hot water and washroom, I believe, usually nasa baba. What we have here is toilet lang for peeing or something like that. But for like kung maligo kayo, if you guys want to shower, there's a multiple bath area in there. Let's go. That is a chapel. There's also multiple cottages pala guys. There's smaller ones. Sa amin medyo malaki to kasi syempre marami kami sa church. Oh, squirrel. Ang lapad doon. Oh. Pwede kayong magtakbo-takbuhan doon or what activity you guys gonna do. Nandito yung basketball court para sa mga kids. Meron ding mga parang kumaga playground. And above na doon na area is the parking area, parking spot.
This white one belongs to here. And this black one belongs to a chicken.
Uh-huh.
What, Dad?
So who will need a tripod when you can have this Noah's bubbles? You can just like, wait lang ga, I'm gonna show them. You're just gonna put it there and just put the camera on top. Voila! That's it, I already have a tripod.
That's not tripod.
So, yeah, anyways, we will be staying here, guys, for until Sunday, until tomorrow. So later, there's some activities na prepare nila Dale, na pastor. And then tomorrow will be our departure. Good. So, let's see, it's a good place to na makapag-unwind,
Dad, put your
develop
camera
ng
here.
yeah, later makapag-develop ng bond sa church members, they like that. And it's a good reset as well. Kasi palagi na lang we always go to work every day, right? So we always need a reset. This is what I like about Sabbath as well. It's because it's kind of like a weekly reset. I know there's a lot of arguments regarding that one. And I still strongly believe the doctrine of the law, the Ten Commandments or something. That's why we're still following it. And personally, I was able to study and to read it myself as well. Kaya medyo firm din ako sa ganyan. So for now, I'll just gonna go with Mommy and Noah. Okay. Hey Trev,
Hi.
what are you doing? Why are you running? Drink some water there. Oh, I think the youth are done. I think they're done. Bagod man tuliog. Hi. Say hi, B. Taro nga. Yung pag
Lagi puti oh. Ano man to?
Noah's leaving now. He's excited now to play with Pablo. So guys, we're going to the chapel. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in there para may idea kayo. In case you guys wanted to rent it, kung may mga church activities din kayo, regardless of what denomination you are in. This is the chapel here. Oh, there's also another lodge there. See how wide this place is?
1,000 years later. Finally. Wrong way.
If you guys are planning like small family or I don't know, 2 to 3 families, parang maganda na option dito, ang lodge. May sariling griller, then merong parang chill. So maganda talaga siya for vacation or something. Pang relax, pang unwind. One of the things na I like or I love sa Canada, fresh air. Fresh air. It's my wife. Fresh air, guys. At yeah, it's a good day today. Happy Sabbath, everyone.
Do you remember when you first met each other? The endearing words you used to use? And they call you all these endearing words, and after
Oh, you know? When I keep go to kids strong and hold died, it hurts so much my hand. I think my hands have how we can
So this is the parking area pala, guys. Connected lang dun sa playground. Meron palang daan dun. So kumuha na ako. Pumunta na ako dito kasi kukunin ko yung kuha kong tubig. Gonna get to. Let's get to. Ano yung squirrel dito? Kala ko. Wild animals na or something. So yeah, malaki yung park. Really good for people na magstay dun sa cabin and dun sa lodge na yun. Alright, let's grab water. Bigyan natin sa kanila. Panauhaw na to. Nag-move na sila Noah sa sandbox. Lunchtime! So, dito kami kakain for today's lunch. Woohoo! Sophie. Parang siya tinapnin niya. Dale, oh, grabe, Dale. Rice is life.
Mahira yung battery. Hindi na kaya.
Lagi ako nasa kusina pag
Lagi nahuhuli ni Ja. Kedindo. Yung towel niya, tsaka yung polo shirt, safe.
para sabi ko makuha.
Ako walang plato eh. Parang makakapera na rin.
Wow. Beef tapa, guys. Beef tapa.
This is tapa.
The vegetables.
And then this is pinakbet.
Pinakbet. So kami, wala kaming naluto. Hilaw pa. Bawin na lang kami sa dinner. Hello! Hi, vlog.
Kunan mo ko ng ano, be?
The mother and daughter combo.
Vlog.
Sis Fernanda, so busy. Mrs. Casey is looking for something. I don't know what. And ate, very busy sa salad niya. Woohoo! And our fruits. Mango.
Oh, with our hands.
Hello. Kids are here. Pastor Theo.
Hello.
Once again.
Let's go inside.
They're here. Hey. And ate. Hello. Dap. Grabe ha. Abulabin magporma. Mira playing Jack and Poy. Oh. Tapos tatakbo kung sino nakain.
Sino kakain? Ay, nako.
Seryoso kay kaya guys. Record natin yung mga industrial work ni Kuya Dindo. He's so industrious. Industrial work ba naman? Industrial. Hangal industrial work kasi industrious.
Industrial. Buto na buto.
So, mara na yung hulat ya.
Dito.
So, this is our speaker earlier, Pastor Ali,
We have a vegetarian
and
option
his daughter.
here in the smaller table here.
No one in kamot na.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy.
Ay, ala sa bawa. Oren, bawa na ba?
Ay, kila pues.
Yeah, my early teens na students. The rest are youth na. So we have here, I'm not sure what is this. Ooh, veggie meat, I think. Lumpia, gluten.
Ito,
Woo!
ano yan? Veggie meat yan.
Brings back ano,
Yan.
sipak.
Ano din ito?
Veggie meat.
Veggie meat.
Woohoo! I love this one. Kiraz, gutom na.
Gutom na. Reklamo ng bitom. Gutom po daw siya. Thank you, thank you.
Oh! Papaitan. Veggie meat. Veggie burger. I'm not sure about this one. Pancit, beef tapa. There's a macaroni. Let's eat. So earlier, I sat down beside La Pastor kasi hinahanap ko si Jasmine saan pumunta. Si Mama andun. Sabi ko wala si Jasmine. So I sat down there.
Si mama.
Andito pala. Yeah. So Mommy wants to try the veggie meat. We tried this at home. We already made some. The veggie meat. But Mommy just want to explore what it tastes. This one, veggie burger din. Homok? Remember when I was in BAMC, CPAC, under CPAC. Kasi pag 4th year nursing ka, dun ka sa BAMC assign or sa Bacolod Adventist Medical Center. Ganito yung mga ulam din namin. Kumbaga parang nostalgic siya ba? Let's eat guys, let's eat. I'll continue eating na lang muna, tsaka na ako mag-video. So, buso guys. This is the second plate actually. Macaroni ni Tijaja, shout out, sarap. And Mommy likes the macaroni too. Look. Kanina pa to si Noah guys, gala ng gala. Tignan natin ang itsura. Kasama niya sila ate niya. No, Pai? Let me see. Let them see what you look like. Ala. Oh, hugaw na kayo. Oh, may ang pants. Okay. May access pala guys. May lumiligo pala doon. Unless properly supervised. Akala ko kanina, hindi talaga pwede. So, meron palang maliit na font doon. Unless supervised. There's some kayaks too. Not sure if you guys can see it. Abi man ako dito pwede diri. Pwede di ay.
Doon ang rintahan, kabalo kag pilay rinta.
Pila?
$25.
Per
use,
hour?
Use as you can.
All day kayo?
Oh, bajing ko ra.
Pwede na mo gamiton, no?
$25 all day.
As you can man, pwede na mo gamiton hangtod ugma.
Oh, yeah. Usa ka trip.
Ay, nagatrip na.
Usa ka trip ka na usa ka weekend ba?
Pwede.
So daghan kay Bisaya dire, no?
55.
Or Bisaya.
Bago ka.
Bisaya, Skirandi, Bisaya, Tiapol, Bisaya, and husband. Yeah.
Bisaya!
Let's go!
Where to win?
Oh. Really wanna swim. But I think cold too. Cold hindi!
It's okay.
It's okay?
She thinks it's cold. I don't think it's that cold.
Really?
There's so many flies.
Let's try. Oh. It's not that cold, guys. It's not that cold. So if ever kung masyadong init yung summer or something like that, maganda siya na maganda dito na mag-swim. And it has a shore. So it's good. I think Sylvan Lake is on that side. It says here, do not forget your name tag. I belong at camp or something like that. But we don't have name tags. Since pagdating, meron ba? Wala ko ito.
Wala.
Other campers there, mga Pinoy din. CFC.
Pag abot sa dito na sa lampas dito sa lower, pag pa-upper na may dito na sugod na. Oh. Balik ba hinay na kay balik ba kapoy. Tulog ako. Lingko paway ka paway.
Okay, ilang
Sarap to,
order.
guys.
Try this, guys. It's so good. Chicken macaroni salad.
Lang, pero nasa likod mo ako ba? Ang sama din. Adi,
Overlay.
Bigyan mo ako ng
Masitag
baso.
overlay. Na-overlay naman si Doray.
disposable cups.
Let's cook, guys. Let's cook. Kasi di kami nakapag-ambag ng food since last night. So we're going to cook everything that we have for tonight. Kasi tomorrow breakfast na. Kasi kain lang kami na kain pero wala kami na share. So right now we are cooking lumpia. We have lumpia here. And then gonna cook the chicken tocino and beef. Hindi na lang siguro kami mag-grill. Tapos the rest breakfast na lang yan for tomorrow. Nakaluto na pala sila dito, guys. May biha na din. Everyone's so ready. Kami lang palagi late. Guys, activity is late. So next time magluluto na kami sa house. Tapos pag mga ganitong setup, lesson learned namin for this trip. Hindi kami naka-attend sa activity or sa ano dun sa church or sa chapel. Kakagising lang. Napagod kami. Napagod. And sarap kasi matulog. Sarap ng environment, sarap ng atmosphere, sarap ng hangin. Parang gano'n. Kaya siguro from all the works na din throughout the week, nag-isahan, knockdown agad. So medyo pangit yung wrapper na nabili ko, guys. Kasi masyadong madikit. Ano to? Rice wrapper to.
Rice paper.
Rice paper pala. Hindi yung parang lumpia talaga natin na lumpia, na wrapper. Ginapit pero tanaas mga madrik. Hinahinay mo kapilapil. So guys, we just finished cooking. Muna siya ang result. This is the result of what I did earlier. Oy! So lumpia, chicken, tocino. So at least meron na kaming contribution. So everything's ready na. So let's go outside kaya nag-games sila. Samaan nila eh. How are you? I'm going to include you in my vlog. I don't know what's happening pero seems like fun. You didn't join? You did? Dog na yan! Dog! Man na, wala namin naabtan. Wala na. Guman na. Busy minuto, yung story dito squad. Kusina. Kaya, abot, wala na, human na, nanay na daog.
Nienday!
So we're going guys sa lake kasi sila Noah gusto nilang makita dun. Then around 6 p.m. we have sundown worship. So far it's okay, it's not that cold. Hindi na muna ako nag-jacket. Naka-shorts din. Sama? Mumay silpi man. May paddleboard sila.
Is it moving? Oh, it's sturdy. It's probably nice to be.
Pablo, do you wanna swim? Swing? Sing? No. Do you wanna swim, Pabs? No? Yeah, I don't wanna swim too.
안녕하세요.
Gulo, Korean man din eh.
Koreana there.
Hello.
Say hi. Hi vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
Para may memories. You wanna see vlog to Pablo?
I wanna see vlog.
You wanna see the vlog, Pablo?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Mami. Oh. Numapay. Noah.
Get out!
Allah, mag-sundown worship. Allah. Say hi, Say hi, B.
Say hi vlog. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. How are you vlog?
You will see this, Pablo, when you're teenager na. Unsa man na dito, B?
A spider!
A spider?
Yeah.
Oh no. Dako kay spider?
I will trust in you. Who can say that today? That we can trust in the Lord. Amen. It's so beautiful, right?
Come on! 5.
So we just finished our sundown worship. I think there's still light, so hopefully everything will be clear pa rin, like yung footage natin. And now I'm heading to the parking. I'm gonna grab more water. So for the next activity after the dinner is social night. So sa mga Adventists, we are all our social night have marching, mga ganon. So it's been a while since we did social night as well. I think the last time that I had my social night when I was in BC in Vancouver. So yeah, anyways, let's see. Bring this stuff there and then we'll eat dinner. Let's go. So grilling time with the boys. Earlier they were having hard time to turn it on, but they found a way. Everything's good now. They're gonna cook some steaks. Gonna be a steak night. They're busy, so we're not gonna bother them. It's steak night. Let's go. All right. Ano sa tuna?
Tuna. Pero ito na ko kay isubak.
Himo ni mo og tinola?
Lauoy.
Lauoy?
Ay kana siya ang
Grabe sisi oh. May sisi be like
Papanggap.
papanggap.
ang ba naman ang namatay. So sa
Sarap ulam mamaya, may sabaw, tuna. Oh, nara oh. For the record. Ang problema ko is kay video man yan, ma-record yun.
ay mapasok.
Dili para sa picture nga pwede na. Pretending, grabe ha, oy. Ikaw ginagtimpla ni ko eh? Manager niya eh. Timpla ka. As usual, same eh, same. Alright. For the record,
Yeah, cabbage salad.
salad.
Yes, with dill and meal
Ooh.
and cucumber.
Woohoo! Healthy living. It's good. Okay, Randy, preparing for the steak.
Yeah.
Tomahawk steaks.
Naa sa gawas.
Woohoo! Teja busy too.
Para pang kids ulit.
Grabe. And Daphne, Avril Lavigne.
Nabisi ako. Asan yung mga kutsilyo?
Bread? Do you like bread? Ha? Gusto mo yung kasama ti Tito? Luya, Timira, uy.
Kapoy naman.
Whole day.
Oo, whole day.
Dito po, whole day. Gutom. Wala makuya, gigutom. Tulog din si Kwan.
Kaon to sinapay.
Luya. Pablo, active magyapon.
I'm eating.
Sleeping, ate.
Malaya is sleeping.
No, it's sleeping.
Ah, isla.
Ikaw malo po dyan ba? Mark! Say hi!
Look there, look.
Naghuwas na dito sa Kwan box. Fee?
There.
Wow, wow.
7.
6'7".
7.
6'7".
It's 1.
And Ate Johanna. What are you drinking, Ate Johanna? What happened to your legs? And my wifey here, chilling like a villain.
Ito mo na, uy, 360.
Oh.
360 views.
Pinakuan ba? Pero filmmaking, gusto mo? And Pastor there, chilling. Going to his solitary moment. Sarap ng mga luto, guys.
Yan. Dulit-dulit, tirada-tirada. Gusto nga, okay na ni... Son?
Ha? Wala. Wala.
Wala po. Kasi dulit, putuson.
Palungan na ako, Tre, ha?
Ayan ang
Kaya din do, palunga. Tagalog, Bisaya, ras ka din do, no?
Okay, palunga.
Ora. Tinuod gina na ya. Okay, mo na kayo no sa ato.
No, actually, I want to
Oh.
Interesting.
Grabe siya. Ang lakas mo nag-trinkoy.
Gupito. Gupito. Ah, the server daily na tayo. Let's go.
So, isang ano na lang.
Busy minikiran bigay na mag-story about Ilaga versus Black Shirt. History ba? History sa Mindanao.
Story sa Mindanao, mga si tawag ano? Kanang mga karaang mga istorya nga mga makalilisang,
Nakalilisag. Mga extraordinary.
mga extraordinary.
Wifey, oh. Ready na kong wifey. Asa mo lawoy, mami?
Gunay, this so good.
Ayamat. So, dinner at the porch. Guys! Grabe.
Hindi rin cute, hindi rin isa.
Let's eat, let's eat. Okay. So guys, welcome to our day 2. We had so much fun last night. Look at my voice. We had our social night. All I did was took a lot of pictures, then marching. Hello. Then I joined the marching for the last part, and then that's it. It was so fun. Nag-marching kami throughout the whole cabin until the kitchen. And yeah, anyways, right now we're just preparing for breakfast. I think they already started. Then after this, there will be some other few programs for like games for your kids or something like that, and then departure time. So far the plan for today, we are going to the Sylvan Lake because that's the closest place to refill our gas. The first time we went there was winter time, so we didn't see the actual what it looks like, Sylvan Lake. So hopefully today we will see it. But for now, we'll just go for breakfast and then eat and then enjoy what's in the rest of the program. And then before we go home, let's go.
Good morning.
Bago lang bugtaw. Ingat, deh. Tawas mo to.
Hukta na ba? Dura ka. Wala na tong dagko na.
So for our breakfast,
The Lord has given goodness, the Holy Spirit's peace. I see the very soul of His children.
Galog mo na siya ma. Sister, ako di mo nakaintindi niyo.
Kasabot man na.
Dili.
word I love to hear. How can I change the world?
She didn't like anyone, just me. And she was trusting so much on me that actually we were in a second floor with a balcony. And then when I was coming in the motorcycle from the street,
May automotive doon.
Sabi niya, mayroon na automotive to na. Sabi niya, pinakita niya talaga sa akin. Mayroon. Hindi na kami sa po pupunta ako. Di ba alam mo yung first year ka, parang first year, hindi mo pa alam. Pinakaw ko lang ako doon.
So guys, we just finished everything for today. Everyone's packing up. Some of us are already we're already leaving. And then earlier mga kids activities nila we're doing what's that? Pottery. So after that wala nang activities actually. Take time na lang sa pag-uwi. So right now I'm on my way to the parking para kunin yung sasakyan and then we can load the car na sa mga gamit namin slowly. Yeah. So it was a good trip. It was a good experience for us. Although ako medyo napapagod ako. So usually I sleep in. Hindi ako usually nakaka-attend talaga sa hall na ano. Kasi ang ganda ng environment, ganda ng hangin. So napapagod ako. Sarap mag-sleep. Anyways, sila Kedi, Timira, Kinindo.
Pinoy nanguhag basura. Ibaligya.
Huwag basura.
Basura, baligya. Oh,
Ulo, gatulo na.
Oh, bahala na.
Bahala na.
Wala, basta makurtahan.
Kinindo.
Okay.
Alright, ingat kayo. Euro. Let's go to Timira. Timir!
Hi, ano?
Busy ka, Timir?
Impake na.
Baki na.
Tapos na ako?
Wala pa. Makwa pa ko sa salakyan.
Ama.
Alright. Ang ganda ng malita ni Timir ah.
Aba,
Saan mo ito nabili, Timir?
sa may ano, nung nag-tour ako sa
Oh, this is cool.
London.
Wala Dre. This is cool. That's why. Sheesh. Anyways.
Sige.
Timir, okay, let's go to the car. Kuha na tayo ng gamit, guys. Naimili kunin natin ang car pala para makuha natin yung gamit. So sorry guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Medyo na busy na talaga. Nag-impake na kami. Nilapit ko lang yung sasakyan dito. Nilagay ko dito. Nagmadali kasi ako kasi syempre marami ding magpa-park. So, diba? Marami din mag-impake. So hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Tapos nahiya din naman ako na mag-vlog. Tapos yung iba nagmamadali na din. Ganun. So anyways, dito ako nag-park kanina. Yung iba mag-paddle boarding. Pero binalik ko na yung sasakyan. Na-feel na namin. Everything's set up na. Waiting na lang ng mga go signal or something. Para sabay-sabay na umalis lahat. Anyways, let's see later. So ngayon, nagpi-play na lang sila ng badminton. Sali ka sa badminton day. Hello! Yung mga badminton player namin ng mga dalaga dito sa aming church. Mama, pahinga na. Kasi nag-badminton na siya kanina. Oh, ito. Kumuha na ng racket. Hi! Hi! So, dito sila nag-pottery kanina. Oh, sure!
Ate, nag-thumbs up siya. Naman siya.
Sama ka din? Buknas ka din? Oh, ha? Sister ko yan. Oh.
Sama ka!
Pero gano'n. Oh.
Sali ka si Queen!
Si Queen, sali! Taga picture. Sayo, Dor. Oh. Mo din na Stephen.
Wala ka na sa
Judy si Jazz. 1 point. Ay, sorry. Kuya, wali ka. Wala ko maglalay ka. Baliw-liw. Uy! 1-1. Uy!
Alright, kids. Malaya, taste right.
Baliw niyo, baliw.
Uy! 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 Buslot.
Okay, kids at the front, because you're gonna be standing like first. We don't have any entrance. We don't have time. 5 minutes is only.
Ay!
Only 2 steps. Okay. Mars, video ko yung skit, yung steps ni Malaya. Para mo.
Oh, kuha siya ka. Kasi gusto na siya ka. Mag-shop na sila.
Side. Halfway. Tagwan. Twice. Look to the right. Look to the left. Good.
Good. Lagay sa dito. And then praise 1, 2. Turn around halfway. Turn down.
Labas.
Okay, boys.
Ulit. Biglang mahaba.
Ate Jolie sa likod. Hindi ka kasali single success. Single success ate. Liron.
Ay, sorry.
Dito to ka.
Sunod tayo dyan.
So they are practicing for the field camp meeting. This coming next weekend, I think. They're gonna join the competition for cultural dance, for Filipino cultural dance. Oh, malusot. Madritso.
Ay, Clayton, di ba okay lang?
Yeah, mama.
Bumati ka sa ito. One single lady.
Wow.
Alright, ladies and gents, this is Get ready.
Mama, saya trabaho.
Okay, Marta. Stay here first.
May papiktos pa ng mga ganun-ganun.
Kaya nga eh. Dapat
Yes, me. We're gonna be.
Alright, one more.
Pablo, stay here.
Pablo.
Wala na,
Change your swimsuit.
Allah.
Change the swimsuit, Pablo.
Swimsuit ka, Babs?
Swimsuit. Change the swimsuit, Pablo. Ay, maligo sila.
Sama ka, ma? Practice biya ka dito, ma. Ma. Maruha, mama. Tago, sige, practice.
I'm sleepy.
Hala, mukha ta.
I'm sleepy.
Sleepy na rin, kiting uli na.
Mama, don't carry.
Mami, Kay kaya rin ako si Bebe Noas.
Hindi na mo? Hindi na siya?
Wala siya naihili siya kay.
Uy, anak siya.
Wiwi sa grass.
No, not.
Ito nang i-carry hangtod. Pwede gusto pa magpa-carry. Kinagdakuan eh. Di na niya magpa-carry. No, nga. So, we're going home na guys. Anyways, thank you so much for being with us throughout this video. And I hope you enjoy. But anyways, I will record as much as I can. Whatever camera that I have for now. So that I can document my life, our lives. So that we can look back on it someday when we get older. Anyways, thank you, and I'll see you guys on my next video.